All right, y'all, we are back on the boat again today. And honestly, I've already seen 4 or 5 bass. I'm right here at the boat ramp launching it, and I've seen 4 or 5 bass. I've seen schools of bait fish, everything. It is crazy right now. I'm really looking forward to today. All right, y'all can probably notice this is new. So I'm gonna be testing this out to see how well this thing holds up. All right, now that we're sitting still for a second before we get out here into the wind, we're gonna give it a test. Not too bad, not too bad. Took my worm. Oh my. Yo, he just broke me off. All right, I see some activity. Yep. I told you I thought I saw some activity up ahead. All right, nice. Nice. He's a little guy, but I like the colors on him. Nice, healthy. All right. Yeah, like I said, man, one of the locals, actually the guy that lives right over here, he's the one that told me the fish out here, he always has the best luck using the black worm. See, it kind of works. Broke off on a big one, and then I just caught that one. It's better than I have had the past couple days here. All this is shallow. Probably, if I do get another bite, it'll probably be a smaller one. So I'm gonna head across the lake and get to a little bit more deeper waters with grass. Hey! Hey! Can I get a tow? I hate to bother y'all, but I really appreciate it. Boat ramp right across the lake. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but it just gave out. My motor just won't move. You know, I paddled across the lake before, man, but it ain't no fun. It takes a long time and a lot of energy. Well, something just gave out on my boat, but thank God there was another person out here. Well, it looks like I'm about to go do some bank fishing, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm back at the boat ramp. He just cut me loose. But all those fish I saw when I was coming in, I gotta try it out. Thank God to that man, too, by the way. I never even got his name. Never did. All right, y'all. So apparently, I guess the battery died. Did the same routine as I always do. I don't know, maybe something just didn't hook up right. The one time I didn't check the charger, the battery wasn't charged. But anyways, dropped off the boat. So now I'm gonna do some bank fishing for today. Still got the black worm tied on. I was on my way to another set of ponds, but this one's on the way out there. I figured I would stop back here and try the bigger black worm, because I had the smaller black worm when I was out here last. I have bass swimming right in front of me. He looked at me and just went on about his day. Wonder if I can get his attention with this. Wonder if he doesn't realize I'm fishing. Yep, got him. I thought since he just looked at me, he wasn't gonna bite. And God, I need to quit hook setting so hard. He's not real big, but it always feels good to catch one. I mean, I always knew that this was a pretty good bait, but when you start using it, man, it just becomes one of your favorite baits. You just become addicted to it. I'm really mad that the motor gave out though, because those fish were looking good. All right, y'all, I think we're gonna go ahead and go on to the next pond. Y'all, I'm really disappointed in myself. I caught a fish a second ago. Didn't realize that my camera wasn't recording. So, missed that one. I don't know what's going on with me today. Today is just not it. But I'm just gonna keep on trying. We're gonna make the best out of a bad day. See what we can do. All right, so I was out here the other day and it was cloudy and windy and the fish were hitting this same spinnerbait. Now it's sunny and windy. Let's see if I can get the same reaction. I think last time I got a bite instantly, first cast. Yep, they're still biting it. He's not big at all. Oops. Yeah, real tiny guy. All right, it's good. They're still biting it though. Jeez, man. He bit it, but he didn't take it. And then I smacked the tree.